Hey everyone, time for this month's Owlcrate, and I cannot wait. It is all things spooky, I think is what it's called, but it's like spooky. They said it was like their Halloween themed box for the year, but it arrived yesterday, so I'm so excited. So here goes. Oh my gosh, that card is stunning. Completely not what I thought it would be. Something wicked this way comes. That is the name of this box. Completely forgot that. Right, so first up we'll go with this splendid pen. Oh my gosh, it's a fountain pen. I haven't had a fountain pen in years. And it's got purple ink on it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And this is from Ooly. Oh my gosh, so excited. All right, so go with this next. Oh, if I can get it out. Oh my gosh. Ah. So these are socks from Out of Print, and they are Edgar Allan Poe, which is why they're called polka dots. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna definitely have to take some photos with these bad boys on. Okay, and then it's the coffee Death Before Decaf. That's cool. Dark Arts Roast, and this is from Happenstance Coffee. This is Papua New Guinea. So guessing almond, orange, and chocolate. That's cool. Unfortunately, I don't like coffee, so I'm gonna give this to someone who does, but it looks pretty damn good. Okay, next up is our pin for the month. Some paper stubs. No mourners, no funerals, among them a past for good luck. From Six of Crows. And when everyone knows you're a monster, you needn't waste time doing every monstrous thing. Oh my gosh. So I haven't read this yet, but I have a bookmark to go with Six of Crows. And I got another one from Treehouse of Books, and you have to decide which side to have a... Oh my gosh. I think I might have to go with that one. That's cool. We have The Darkest Acts Made Light. This is a This Savage Song sticker by Evie Bookish, and I love all of E12's books, and this is so cool. Oh my gosh. And it's a little pin. I chose this. What's this from? So this is from the book that's for this month, which apparently will make sense after we read the story. So I chose this. It's pretty cute. Okay. And then Sleepy Hollow. So this is from Rock Paper Books, and they are friends with the people at Owlcrate, so they gave us a second book, which is so cool. So 2 books this month, which is just awesome. And then it is the book for this month, which is The Hearts We Sold. Owlcrate exclusive cover. I haven't seen the cover for this before, so I don't know what the difference is. So it's by Emily Lloyd-Jones. Her heart is no longer hers to give. And it also comes with signed bookplate and a letter. Losing your heart is easy, getting it back is another story. That is so true. That is, oh my gosh, that is cool. Finally, the last thing in the box is next month, which is Mythical Creatures. I am loving this card. Oh my gosh. Okay, so sneak peek time. We are getting a book sleeve by Bookmark. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. I didn't think it would be by Bookmark. Kind of guessed it might be a book sleeve, but oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna calm down now. I apologize. So that is it for this month. And I just love everything in the box. As always, Owlcrate have outdone themselves again. I can't fit everything into frame, but everything is amazing. And that is another month, another box. And I now can't wait for next month, which is so bad. Every month it's just like, oh no, now I want the next one. But yeah, everything is awesome. See you soon.